What's up, Shredheads? This is the Buzz Drone Fat Tire Electric Moped, and today we're going to be doing the first ride and review. Let's get started. Buzz Drone retails for $13.99. It's got an aluminum step-through frame. It's got a 500-watt motor with a top speed of 20 miles an hour. It's got a moped-style saddle here. It's got a Shimano 6-speed derailleur with thumb shifter. We got a black and gray LCD display. And over here are controls for your pedal assist, headlight, all your information, and your power. And on the left-hand side, we got a quarter twist thumb throttle. With this bike, it is a pedal to start throttle, so you do have to start pedaling first before you can kick on the throttle. We got 20x4 treaded Kenda tires. It's got mechanical disc brakes with 160mm rotors. It's got a UL certified 48-volt, 10.4 amp hour battery. You can charge it with the battery off, or you can charge it through the frame right here. It's got front fork suspension, but it is a hardtail. So if you guys do want a little bouncy in the back, you could always let air pressure out of the tire. It's got 165mm crank arms. We have front and rear fenders. We have a bright LED headlight on the front. It also has a rear LED tail light. It is not a working brake light. It comes in this really cool looking red sparkly paint. We also have this little storage bag right underneath the seat here, so you can put your phone or lock. The Buzz Drone weighs in at 66 pounds. It's considered a class 2 e-bike, the most legal e-bike that we have on the channel. They have an estimated range of up to 40 miles, but we're gonna be testing that out today. It comes with the 2-amp charger, and the charge time is from 4 to 6 hours. All right, guys, we're gonna start our speed test at 100%. We got our GPS app out. Let's see if we can hit the top speed of 20 on GPS, and then I'll start pedaling and see how much I can kick it up. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I forgot. You have to pedal to get it started. We're gonna start off in mode 5, and then you can kick the throttle in. I already felt the limiter kick in right there. 18.2 miles an hour is our top speed with the limiter kicked in. A nice gradual pull on it. It's not really super torquey. Definitely good for a beginner rider. All right, we're gonna put this on gear 6, and we're gonna start just pedaling. Can I get faster than 18.2? I got 0.1. Oh, 0.6, 0.9. Ah, come on, let's hit 20 at least. Ah, I saw 19. There it is, 20 miles an hour. So throttle only top speed was about 18 miles an hour, and top speed with pedaling and pushing it was 20. So being 5'11", being this low and so close to the pedals makes it really hard for me to actually pedal the bike. Although a bike like this, I normally treat it as a moped and I just use the throttle. Frame definitely feels solid, easy to carve on. If you are shorter, you can definitely bring the bars a lot closer. Right now, we're gonna go test out the hill climbing ability of this e-bike. Basically, it's got 65 Newton meters of torque. We've made it to our hill climbing test facilities, and we've traveled 7.2 miles. We're down to 85% left on this 10.4 amp hour battery. All right, let's get to the bottom of our hill climb test hill. Brake check. Brakes are working good. I want to do throttle only, so we'll get to the bottom of the hill as slow as possible, and then we'll start throttle only. 65 Newton meters of torque, guys. Ooh, it's really steep here. It's really steep. And it let me go there, okay. All right, we're gonna do it in mode 5 to pedal, and then throttle now. All right, gear 2, standing up. Too easy. This ain't a shreddy video unless we're riding through the grass. Front suspension feels good. No suspension in the rear. Definitely gotta stand up without having that rear suspension when you're riding a little off-road. Gotta save the biscuits. The one thing I always suggest with thumb throttles is try to lower it. If you move it a lot lower, like underneath, it's a lot more chill on your thumb. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out the beach to see how it performs on the sand. Throttle only for 8.7 miles, and we're down to 83%. Whoa, that is beautiful, guys. Drop a like for the ocean in Delaware. Can't beat this view, guys. This e-bike took me here. Let's see how far we can make it through the sand. We're going deep, we're going deep. We're gonna try to stay on the tracks, see what happens. Oh no, that's it. And still putting, still putting. Too deep. I actually ended up pulling the bars way closer, and it's definitely more comfortable. I'm able to scoot my biscuits to the back of the seat where it's a lot fatter, and we've traveled exactly 15.1 miles. We're down to 36% battery, guys. A bike like this shouldn't even have gears at all. It should just be One gear, throttle, that's it. Comment down below, what are you guys' thoughts on that? Rip through some of these dunes. Oh, and that's it. Can we pedal? Oh no, the pedal cuts off the throttle. Oh, you know the biscuits are ready for side saddle. So we are 17.8 miles in on our trip. We're down to 34% battery, guys. We're definitely gonna rip through this. Jump! Oh! Hell yeah. Oh, clapping. 20 miles exactly in, down to 34%. Uh-oh. Let's plop down here sideways. If you hold the minus button, it puts it in a walk mode. Let me hold it, take it out. Ready for Halloween. Whoa, bro. We got one blinking bar, 19%, 24.7 miles traveled, guys. We've been holding it full throttle pretty much this whole ride, and we're still hitting about 18.2 miles an hour. All right, guys, our final range at 16%, we traveled 26.4 miles, mostly doing full throttle on this. That's gonna be the end of the review of the Buzz drone. Let me know your thoughts down below on all the tests I did today. As always, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Buzz drone electric fat tire step-through e-bike. Use code SHREDDY20 to get 20% off your order. As always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for that subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next ride.